Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to crochet absolutely easy and beginner friendly headband. Here is the red one and the previous one where I was using on the leftovers. So I like both versions, and this one is made with bulky yarn and this one with super bulky yarn. That is why you see difference in sizes. For this headband, I was using a 7 mm crochet hook. If you are using another yarn, just match your crochet hook size to your yarn weight. For the stripy headband, I was using Wool is Thick and Quick yarn from Lion brand. It's a super bulky yarn, and I was using leftovers that I usually have after knitting hats. As I said, use any yarn. I will explain you how to make the bigger size or smaller size. So like this you can make a matching family set for your daughters or make a present for someone. 7 mm crochet hook, make a slip knot and work chain 52. This headband I'm going to crochet for the head circumference 55-56 centimeters, and the chain has to measure at least 2-3 centimeters less than the head circumference, but also depends on the yarn that you are using and how stretchy it is. Please finish the chain. So now let's measure the chain. That's what I have, and the chain has to measure less. Do not afraid to change the number of chains. Let me show you. It's 52 centimeters, so it's exactly 2-3 centimeters less, and you see it is stretchy. And now in the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, and go on. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over again and pull 3 loops on your hook. So make a half double crochet in each chain across. Yarn over, pull and pull one more time. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. That's how it will look. Now go on and finish this row. After the first row, you can measure the headband again, and there should be no changes. So yes, a little bit more than 52, but maybe I didn't measure it correctly at the beginning. So my gauge actually didn't change. Now make a chain 2 and turn your piece clockwise. And pay attention how you are doing it. Not counterclockwise, but clockwise. And from the second row and further, we are going to work through the back loops only. So this is the back loop, next stitch the back loop of the next stitch here. So you're going to insert the hook through the back loops only. Again, count 1, 2, 3 into the third chain from hook, make a half double crochet through the back loop, and again yarn over, insert the hook through the back loop and make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull all three loops on your hook. And how to understand that you are doing it correctly: between the first and the second row you will see something that looks like braid. Please finish this row and I will meet you at the end. At the end, sometimes it can be tricky, but you have to find the last stitch and don't forget to crochet. The same half double crochet through the back loop. Otherwise the edge will be uneven, and for beginners I do suggest to count half double crochet stitches, so in total 50 half double crochet. Again, make chain 2, turn, and in the third chain from the hook make a half double crochet again through the back loop only, and go on crocheting half double crochet, one half double crochet in each half double crochet of the previous row through the back loop. Through the back loop. Just finish this row. At the end, again, don't forget and don't lose the last stitch. Here it is. Make a one half double crochet through the back loop, and then make 5 more rows. You can change colors, make the headband wider or vice versa, so up to you, and I will meet you and show you how to join edges. So here I am. That's what I've done: 4 rows in red color, 1 row in white color, and 3 rows in sand color, and I'm ready to join 2 edges. But first of all, you decide which part will be the wrong side. So you place the headband right side up, and on the wrong side weave in all ends. So I have a lot because I was changing colors. If you didn't, so it means that you might have only one tail. You do not cut the working yarn now because we are going to use it for joining edges. So white tail under the white, half double crochet, yellow tail under the yellow or sand, and for this I'm using a smaller size hook. It's easier for me. And you can also use tapestry needle or yarn needle. Same on this side. white and red. That's it. Okay, this is my wrong side and this is my right side. Place the headband right side up. Then fold right and left sides this way. Now let's cut the working yarn and leave long tail. About 20 centimeters will be okay. Make a knot here and cut. So this is my wrong side. I will weave in ends in other ends later. Just this one. And now fold edges and make something that is look like a sandwich. Just insert here and here. Pay attention that all edges have to be on one level. Now here's the working yarn, and I'm going to use the yarn needle. Tapestry needle will work as well. So thread the tail. Again, return to our sandwich. And you need to pull up the needle through all 4 layers, and it is very important. If you lose at least one, you will not get that knot that we are trying to get. That's why, as I said, all edges have to be on the same level and pull up. So we are sewing edges, pulling the needle through all 4 layers, back and forth. The second, the third layer, and the fourth. And again, from this side. You see the second layer is going, or the third one uh, going down, so you need to find it and pick it up. And here again, 1, 2. The third one, where's the third one? I'm looking for the third one, you see? So help yourself. This one, the third and the fourth layer. And in the corner. That's basically it. You can go back and forth as many times as you want until you feel it's secure, and then make a knot, weave in end, and cut the yarn. So the headband is ready. You need only weave in all other ends, and let's turn it and check. Great. So as you see, I did everything correctly. The knot is looking perfect. It means that I pushed the needle through all 4 layers, no holes. And here how it looks in red color one more time. And yes, maybe I forgot to measure the width. Let's measure the width of the bulky headband. So it is almost 13 centimeters, so you can make it less if you want. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed and already subscribed to my channel. Please like this video and leave comments. Bye.